Welcome back everyone. I am super excited to share today's video with you. It is another PlannerKate unboxing video. However, if you're familiar with PlannerKate, you know that in January of every year, well, not in January, but her January kits are when she redoes and reformats her kits. So all of these kits are for January of 2021, and there are some changes, and I can't wait to show those to you. So first I'll share those kits with you and talk about the changes, and then I'll share with you some of the other items that I picked up. So we'll start with kit 300. And kit 300 is called Goodbye 2020, which I thought was perfect. Not gonna lie, I think everyone's kind of ready to move on and be done. So let's share first of all the main sheets of the kit. They do look a little bit different. This is sheet C, and just to compare, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of the current kits from 2020 and show you the difference. So this was the format for 2020. You'll notice the weekend banner is different. These boxes are sized differently. She did bring back the half boxes. I think there was a big demand for those. And then this style is new, the two-tone with the darker outside and the lighter stripe in the middle, and these flags, and then all of these event stickers is a new line from her. So all of the new event stickers are on the sampler sheet, which look a little bit different than just the font version from 2020. It looks like you still get your asterisks, and you get some little icons. Now these are cut out around the shape. They're not circles like they were in the past. And I'm excited about this too. I love using these dots, and they were not on the 2020 sampler sheet, so those have made a reappearance. So that's just kind of a little breakdown on the sampler sheets, what is different. Okay, so let's look at the rest of the kit. You still have sheet B, which are the washi strips, and sheet A is still the full box option. And then usually sheet D, I believe, let me look to make sure on my old kit so I don't tell you wrong. Yes, sheet D of the kits were the full box ombres that look like this. That's not an option anymore as a full sheet. However, you will see that as an option on the add-ons. And then for kit 300, I did go ahead and pick up the month kit, and you'll notice one of the big changes on this sheet are the font choices for the numbers and the wording. And then sheet 2, and this is for the Erin Condren 7x9 planner, and I know you plum paper people are going to be super excited. She is now doing sheet 1 and 2 for plum paper as well. And this is new. She is making a matching dashboard sheet to match the full kit monthlies. So if I go to my January dashboard in my Erin Condren planner, this sheet was made for this page. And just to share with you, because there's already been some questions, there were some people that wanted this full box rectangle that goes down here to have a tracker, and some people did not want a tracker. So Kate was very generous, and I think it was a good idea. She went ahead and put this lined version so you could put that down, and if you just wanted the lines, that would be all you'd have to put down. If you want to use this tracker, you would put this down first, and then this tracker goes on top of this, and these lines line up with this, the lines on this, the horizontal lines, so that you don't get any weird shadowing of the lines. And then you have lots of different word options to label these boxes however you want. So this is a new sheet, and she does offer this for the Erin Condren, and she also makes one for the plum paper. I did not purchase that one, but it has the circles that would fill the plum paper dashboard if you're familiar with that. And then let's look at the add-ons. A lot of them are the same. So I did pick up the thin washi and the thick washi. And then this is a new add-on option. Every single kit and mini kit will have a clip art option. It is add-on 17, and I'm really excited about that change. And then I did pick up the EC hourly checklist sheet, and that spacing is just a little bit different than the vertical. And I am using a vertical planner, but I like these checklists for other things. And these options are a little bit different depending on which sheet you get. So I did go ahead and pick up both of those. And then she has a lot more options for the headers. So this is made for the 7x9 Erin Condren. It is add-on 3. It's the individual headers, which work really well in the vertical planner. She also has strip headers where these are all one strip for the hourly Erin Condren, and she added plum paper headers as well. So I know, again, plum paper users are going to be happy about that. Okay, so remember those full box ombres I talked about that used to be sheet D? Those are gone now. So I went ahead and picked up the add-on, which is add-on 8 for the kits, and I picked up 2 of those. So really for less price, you still get 8 full boxes that you could use versus the full sheet. And I picked up the sidebar, which comes with this decorative box and the tracker, and this Monday through Sunday list. So then I'll have another full box ombre to use there. This has made a comeback. The scallops, they're back again, as well as the icons and the event stickers and the basic labels and the decorative labels. And then we have 2 new add-ons. This is add-on 4. It's in the new font, and a lot of people are going to be excited about this because it has its own Hello Weekend sticker. So if you didn't get this sampler and you want a weekend sticker that matches the kit, this will be a perfect add-on for you, as well as some more of these dots. And then you have the Monday through Sunday in the new font with the dates. And then I did pick up this new add-on. These are the event stickers that match the kit. So that is a new add-on option, which I really enjoy. So let's take a look at the next kit. I won't flip through all of the add-ons because they're the same, they're just in different colors. The color scheme obviously to match the kit. This is kit 301, which is, let me take a look back at my notes. 301 is called Comfort. So I went ahead and picked up all 3 of those main sheets with the add-ons. And then kit 302 is actually a mini kit called Winter Scene. It's really pretty. It's got this nice wood grain pattern that I love. And then this is what the sampler sheet looks like for that kit. And the full boxes are really pretty as well. And then kit 303 is called Blue Blizzard. So I picked up all of those add-ons. Look at that clip art sheet, that's beautiful. And I'll flip through that for you. And then we get into mini kit 304, which was the last kit option for January, and it is called Winter Garden. And then we get into my extras. So those are all of the January kits. and let's take a look at the extras. So I did pick up this guy, and that is for, had to grab it real quick, the PlannerKate sampler album. I wanted a label for the side of this, so I went ahead and picked this up. This is in the weatherproof, waterproof material, and they hold up really well, so that's going to be labeling my album. And then these were, I think, in the clearance section. I like getting these to number which week we are on in the year out of the 52 weeks, so that comes in handy. And then I was out of these. These are the Gen Plans in the colorful version. And then I wanted to also pick up this. This is font E, I believe, in her shop. I did do a Gen Plans custom for bowling for my husband, and I went a little overboard on these. I think these were in the clearance section, and I panicked because they are one of my favorite sheets ever for laundry. So don't judge, I went ahead and bought 3 of those. Those will probably last a long time. But when you do laundry every day, you know, you use a lot of those. And then I needed some of the font E. I like to put on my sidebar to do, to go, and to call, and I realized I didn't have those options in my stash for font E, so I picked those up. And then I saw someone using the asterisks, and I just decided I needed all of them, so I went ahead and picked them up. This is the PlannerKate color scheme in the S281, and S755 is the Erin Condren colorway. And then I picked these up. They're a little bit different in the PlannerKate color scheme. And then I picked up the PlannerKate thin washi, and I know these were in the sale section, these wash day stickers. So that was all of my order, including the new kits. If you guys have questions about the new kits or any of the add-ons, I'd be happy to help you out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy planning.